Have you ever questioned what lurks beneath the waters of East Africa? From azure waves to hidden depths, these waters are teeming with a vibrant array of aquatic life. Here, in this dynamic ecosystem, a unique fishing culture thrives, providing an interesting preview into the local way of life. As we dive into these captivating waters, we'll explore the rich tapestry of marine species and the age-old traditions that have shaped the region's fishing culture. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we reel in more on this mesmerizing topic. East Africa, a region teeming with water life, home to a numerous of fish species, each more fascinating than the last. This vibrant region is a living, breathing testament to the beauty and wonder of aquatic diversity. Don't forget that there are 18 countries that make up East Africa, including Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, Seychelles, Somalia, Somaliland, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe, etc. Let's dive in, shall we? First, we encounter the majestic Nile perch, a freshwater fish that reigns supreme in Africa's longest river, the Nile. This species is a true titan, with some individuals growing up to 6 feet in length. Its size isn't the only impressive thing about the Nile perch. It's also known for its ferocious fighting spirit, making it a thrilling target for sport fishing. Next, we have the ever-popular tilapia, a crowd favorite in East Africa and beyond. These hardy fish are known for their adaptability, thriving in a variety of water conditions from freshwater rivers to brackish coastal areas. Tilapia is not only a staple in the local diet, but also plays a crucial role in local economies, contributing to the livelihoods of many families. But the aquatic spectacle doesn't end here. Meet the tigerfish, an apex predator of Africa's waterways. Named after its sharp, tiger-like teeth, this fish is a formidable hunter, known for its speed and agility. Tigerfish are not only fascinating creatures to observe, but also present a challenging pursuit for the adventurous angler. Beyond these popular species, the waters of East Africa are also home to a myriad of other captivating species, such as the vibrant cichlids with their stunning color variations, or the elusive African lungfish, a living fossil that can survive in dried-up riverbeds by breathing air. Each species tells a unique story, a testament to the rich tapestry of life that thrives beneath the surface of East Africa's waters. They are the heartbeat of the region's rivers and lakes, each playing a unique role in maintaining the balance of these vibrant ecosystems. With such a diverse aquatic life, it's no wonder fishing has become a way of life for many East Africans. But how do the locals harness this aquatic bounty? Through age-old fishing techniques passed down generations. In the heart of East Africa, fishing is not just a means to an end, but a way of life, a tradition that narrates tales of time. Here, fishing techniques are as diverse as the fish themselves, each method carrying a story, a piece of history, and a unique understanding of the aquatic world. One such method, net fishing, is a practice as old as time. In the hands of an East African fisherman, a fishing net transforms into a tool of precision and patience. Cast out over the water, it forms a delicate, shimmering web, a dance of man and nature that can take hours, sometimes even days, to pay off. But when it does, the reward is a bountiful catch, a testament to the fisherman's skill and the sea's generosity. Line fishing, on the other hand, is a game of endurance and strategy. It requires a keen sense of understanding the fish, knowing their habits, their favorite spots, even their favorite time of day. A single line, a hook, and the right bait, that's all it takes. It's a method that requires patience, but the thrill of feeling a fish tug at the line is an experience that's hard to match. And then there's fish farming, a blend of traditional knowledge and modern techniques. It's a method that's gaining popularity in East Africa, a testament to the region's adaptability and respect for the environment. Fish farms are carefully maintained, ensuring the health and well-being of the fish, while also providing a sustainable source of income for many local communities. These methods, deeply rooted in tradition, are not just about catching fish. They're about understanding the delicate balance of aquatic life, of respecting the sea and its inhabitants. They're about preserving a way of life, a culture, a tradition. But most importantly, they're about passing on these values, these techniques, to the next generation. These methods, deeply rooted in tradition, not only catch fish, but also preserve the delicate balance of aquatic life. Fishing in East Africa isn't just about reeling in a big catch, it's about reeling in livelihoods and boosting the economy. As we immerse ourselves in the waters of East Africa, we discover that fishing plays a significant role in shaping the economic landscape of this region. From Kenya's Lake Victoria to Tanzania's Indian Ocean coast, fishing is a vital source of income, supporting millions of families and contributing significantly to the local economies. But it's not just about the money. Fishing is also a key player in the food security of East Africa. The abundance of fish in these waters provides a reliable and nutritious source of food for local communities, helping to combat hunger and malnutrition. And let's not forget the role of fishing in promoting tourism. Whether it's the thrill of sport fishing for Nile perch in Uganda or the serene experience of dhow fishing in Zanzibar, these unique opportunities attract tourists from around the globe, bringing in valuable foreign exchange and creating employment opportunities. The impact of fishing in East Africa stretches far beyond the shoreline. It seeps into the daily lives of the people, the rhythm of the markets, and the vibrancy of the local culture. It's a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of the East African people, who have harnessed the bounty of their waters to create sustainable and thriving communities. Indeed, fishing is much more than a pastime in East Africa. It's a lifeline. So, what have we learned about fishing in East Africa? Well, we've discovered a world teeming with aquatic diversity. From the majestic Nile perch to the vibrant cichlids, each species unique and fascinating in its own right. We've journeyed through time, tracing the art of fishing back through countless generations, where it has been honed and perfected into the skillful practice we see today. We've glimpsed into the methods that East African fishers employ, the ingenious techniques that they've adapted to their environment, whether it's using traditional spears, hand lines, or even the trusty old fishing net. And let's not forget the economic impact. Fishing in East Africa isn't just a pastime. It's a vital livelihood for many, contributing significantly to the region's economy and food security. Next time you cast your line, remember, you're not just fishing. You're partaking in a tradition deeply woven into the fabric of East African society.